Important safety precautions to take when handling hot oil. Always wear your PPE. First, remove the OEM insert screen assembly, top crumb plate, and crumb basket. Wash and set aside as you will no longer be needing these items when using Masterfil. Let's review all the products needed to install your Masterfil filter. Filter insert screen. Masterfil filter. 10-inch clip. Next is the installation process. Slide the new filter onto the screen. Fold the Masterfil fabric filter flap toward the bottom of insert screen. Secure with the 10-inch clip on folded flap. Place filter assembly into filter pan. Insert riser suction tube into filter assembly port and screw down compression cap. Make sure other end of riser suction tube is secured properly on the filter pan. On newer models, the riser suction tube mounts to the opposite side of the filter pan. Slide filter pan into fryer. Cleaning the Masterfil filter is a key step for success and an easy task to complete. First, you slide the filter pan out from a fryer. Take the master scoop and scrape filter at a 90-degree angle, scraping debris to one side. Once the filter is scraped, scoop all debris and dispose. Ensure the bottom side of the filter is also scraped. Set filter assembly back into pan and ensure riser suction tube is secured properly on filter pan. It is important to remember Masterfil filters last for 7 days. Discard Masterfil filter, clean and dry pan, and install new filter. Scrape filter twice a day to extend oil life, and do not get filter wet.